Hello everyone, welcome to Study 24x7's Educator 101 series. In this video series, we will talk about tips and tricks to create great courses, engaging your students, promoting your courses and more. In this video, we will learn about how to create an engaging course for your students. While creating a course, it is important that you are engaging your students by creating a well-structured, practical and rewarding course experience. The most successful instructors spend a lot of time planning their course before diving into recording to ensure their course will help students achieve their goals. In the next part of the video, we will talk about how to choose your course topic and what things you should keep in mind before finalizing a topic to teach. How to make your students practice, process to define your target students and course goals, steps to create the course outline, and how to script your course for effective delivery. Step 1. Choosing your topic. When you decide to teach any subject, first of all, choose something that you are thorough with and genuinely excited about. Pick a topic which interests you and you have in-depth knowledge about. If you are genuinely excited about the topic you are going to teach, you will be able to engage with your audience better. Always choose educational topics only. Do not choose non-educational, controversial topics. When you are teaching, always keep students' needs in mind. That way, you will be able to connect with them better and you will be able to address their pain points in a much more engaging way. Step 2. Define your target student and course goals. Before you begin creating content for your course, it's very important to determine who you are teaching and where you want to take your students by the end of your course. Create a student persona so that you can understand their needs and pain points better. Do not try to teach everyone. Courses which are created for specific audiences have a higher enrollment rate and they get more positive reviews. If you are having trouble defining your audience, you can try to decide who your course is not for. Step 3. Decide how your students will practice. Students love being hands-on with their learning. They want to practice what they have learned through exercises, activities, case studies and more. There are lots of different types of practices which you can include. So you will want to choose what is best for a topic. Plus, activity-based teaching always facilitates learning and ensures better retention. Use quizzes, assignments and worksheets. Students love to practice and apply what they are learning. Practice activities can be anything that makes a student apply their learning, not just quizzes or worksheets. Study 24x7 has the tools to create quizzes, practice tests and assignments in your course. Step 4. Create your course outline. Your course outline is the foundation for your course. This is where you decide how you will structure and visualize your content. A better structured course will allow you to deliver the educational content in a much more effective manner. A course can consist of a combination of videos, PowerPoint slides, text, quizzes, coding exercises, assignments, and practice tests. You can also add additional resources to your course, including PDFs, links, audio files, etc. to create a rich learning experience for the students. These components are structured into sections and lectures. A section is a collection of various lectures. Step 5. Script your course. Once you know how your course will be structured, the next step is to prepare for filming your lectures. Most instructors find that scripting each lecture or even writing bullet point notes helps to reduce filming time and increases the smoothness of the delivery. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at teach@study24x7.com.